everyone, Letty here. Welcome to hashtag N2S February 24. This is the Not Too Shabby Shop Hop and Giveaway for the month of February. I'm showcasing the box of the month and I'm making a sheet load. So welcome back everyone. I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. Now today I'm featuring the February 2024 box of the month, which comes with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, and 3 stamp sets. Jamie also throws in some freebies. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this kit. The first paper pad is called Sweet Little Bird. It is 6x6. You get 12 designs, 24 total sheets. These are double-sided sheets of paper. Really cute, lots of birds and little bird houses. Really fun spring colors on this one. So Sweet Little Bird. Now you also do have a coordinating ephemera pack, and it's also called Sweet Little Birds. Now here is a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. Really cute, lots of really cute birds and bird houses and florals. Really fun prints for spring. Then you've got Tweet. That's the next 6x6 paper pad. Again, it's 12 designs, 24 double-sided sheets, lots of pastels, and again, really fun spring colors on this one. So this one's going to be your perfect spring collection to start your spring crafting. Again, it's called Tweet. Really fun images there. And then this one also does have a coordinating ephemera pack. It is also called Tweet. So really fun spring images. Again, there's the name Tweet. And then so here is a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. So you have some birds and greenery and florals, rainbows, really fun pastel patterns. We do have 3 stamp sets in this box of the month. So we have the one that's called So Tweet. This is this stamp set. You've got some really fun little birds and frames and bird houses, music notes, some sentiments, really cute, some hearts and floral images. So this one's again called So Tweet. And then the second stamp set is called Rainbow Notes. And this is one that has a really cute like bookmark kind of thing with some sentiments that will fit inside of the little larger image. You've got lots of rainbows on this one and clouds and hearts, some fun sentiments that can work on several different, card projects or options. Then you have Boho Rainbow Builder. And so that's this last stamp set. And you have basically everything you need to make a few different designs of rainbows. And you can build them with some different colors, and you've got some fun sentiments to go along with those rainbow images. So this one again, Boho Rainbow Builder. So this was the February 2024 box of the month from the Not Too Shabby Shop. And Jamie also does throw in some freebies. She did throw in some enamel dots and a lollipop in this kit to this month. So these are the items. I do have a website affiliate link. I'll link down below for you. Let's dive into today's video. So I am showcasing the February 2024 box of the month. I pulled out the Tweet paper pad, also the Tweet coordinating ephemera that matches perfectly with the paper pad, and then the Boho Rainbow Builder stamp set. So I do have the hop and giveaway information. I'll list it in just a bit, but let's dive into today's project, which is going to be the February 2024 sheet load of cards. You see here, I've already made several off camera. Here is what the sheet load will end up looking like. And the sheet load, if you're not familiar, this one is the one for February this month. It is a special edition for 6x6. It is the brainchild of Call Me Crafty Al, Alicia. She puts this out every month. I will link a link to her channel down in the description box below so you can check it out. It does come with several different panels. It's perfect for 6x6 paper, which is perfect for this kit. And so I did add one additional layer mat here of some white cardstock, just because I was using store-bought card bases. You see them here. I'm trying to smash through these this year. So I thought that the bold card base was just a little too much, so I went ahead and added that white card mat. I'll give you those dimensions in just a second. I did add some ephemera pieces as well, and I did have that half circle, which I added my little sentiment from that stamp set. So I've got everything to make one card with you on camera here. I'm going to just quickly explain the process, and then we'll talk about that hop and giveaway. I have an A2 size card base. I have an extra mat that was 4 inches by 5 1/4. That was one I added, and then I have the regular large mat that the sketch calls for. That's 3.5 by 4 3/4. I'm just layering them just like this. I've got my smaller panels that basically true to the dimensions from the sketch, from Alicia's sketch, and then also a panel that goes right across the whole sort of width of the card, and then the additional little paper mat. And again, you can get all those dimensions from the actual sheet load. And then a half of a circle, which I have my sentiment on, and then the little piece of ephemera. Now, I did also bring in one little extra scrap, and that is just to make sure that my 2 ends that sort of hang off of those extra paper panels are going to be flush with the back. And so I'll show you that in just just a second, but let's dive into the hop and giveaway information. This is a hashtag driven hop. The hashtag is N2S February 24. You click on that hashtag and then go watch all of the videos from the design team. You're going to like, subscribe, and comment, and then go back in to get to the raffle link that is in the description of any of our videos. So make sure you definitely come back and check that out. The giveaway runs from the 10th through the 16th at the end of the day, and the prize is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. The winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby YouTube community feed, so make sure you're subscribed to Jamie's channel, the Not Too Shabby shop, so you can get notified in the event that you win. So you see here, I did cut those scraps, and that was just to kind of keep it flush, so that way when I glue it to the front of the card, there won't be any dips on the two sides just because the layers are uneven. Now the layers are back to being even. So I'm going to glue this to the front of the card. You see here that middle panel sort of goes all the way across the width. I'm going to add half of a circle that was die cut and then add my sentiment on it. And then I'm adding one little piece of ephemera. I already added glue, finishing off this card. So these were just so quick and easy. I will do a full recap. So again, this was the February 2024 box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. It came with 2 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, 3 stamp set. Jamie also threw in some freebies. Again, this is available at Not Too Shabby shop. And today's project was the February 2024 sheet load of cards, which is from Call Me Crafty Al. I'll link her channel down below. So here's just a real quick recap of my cards. I did add that extra mat, and I did use some store-bought card bases. That is one of my goals for this year, is to use up those store-bought card bases. I do have different ephemera pieces on all of the different cards, so I'll do a quick flip through right now. Again, make sure you check out that hashtag N2S February 24 so you can get a ton of inspiration from the entire design team from the Not Too Shabby shop using all of the different products this month. I was using the box of the month. This is my second video. I will be sure to link my first video at the end. Here are the super fun cards. I definitely want to do some more of this sheet load this month. Such a fun one. So again, February 2024 sheet load of cards using the February box of the month from the Not Too Shabby shop. Again, I do have an affiliate link that I'll link down below in case you do want to make a purchase. And again, I will link my previous video at the end of this video, so you can check that out as well. Again, hashtag N2S February 24. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. Hop on over to the Not Too Shabby shop. Make sure you check out all those new products. They have the box of the month, they have the paper pad club, and they also have the stamp and die set. Make sure you check out all the inspiration with that hashtag and join the giveaway. Happy crafting.